O, diba? Fact. And also yung mga friends ni Johnny, nandito happy birthday, Johnny! O, diba? And then si Ralph nandito rin, nandyan din si Kale, at si Miss, the one and only Miss Motia is here. O, diba? Thank you guys so much for supporting us. Yes, for supporting Roy. Part ako lang Roy. Okay, so again, we would like to know more. For those of you Team Bio who are watching us right now, don't forget to leave your comments down below. Then we would love to see your comments. And don't forget to use our hashtag Rhyme_the_arrival. And tag us as well at Rhyme_PH. Tama, no? Rhyme_PH. Okay, o diba? Updated ako. Alright, so ngayon naman, we would like to start things off with our media Q&A. Yes, we have our questions here with Jeremy G. Okay, joining me again, one of our writers and producers, Sir Jeremy G.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Hello po online.
Okay.
Hello Mayana, what's up boys? Congratulations.
Jeremy, before I leave you guys for this media Q&A, ano mensahe mo para sa Rhyme?
Una sa lahat, sobrang thank you. Thank you sa tiwala niyo. Hindi lang sa akin, pati kay Alas who also co-wrote Ulala as well. And ako din, I'm proud to say that I've co-written songs with Ishi and Russo as well, and Asi did. And I'm so proud to see your guys' journey in preparing for these songs, for these songs para sa mga fans niyo to hear. And I know there's so much more to come para sa inyo. Congratulations again.
I love it. Okay, Jeremy, since ikaw yung writer and producer, ikaw na yung ng Q&A. Okay, so once again, we are now going to open the floor to our friends from the media for their questions. Okay, Jeremy,
yes. Our first question comes from Vince Bernardo from Philippine Concerts. Ang tanong niya ay para kay Asi. Asi, can you introduce yourselves and share your roles in Rhyme?
Okay. Ako po si Asi Galduna. I've joined The Voice since way back 2017 po. Tapos si Dre, si Ishiro, si Russo, Matthew, kami po yung magkakapatid nila. So, wait lang. Ano yung tanong? Okay.
Ang roles niyo?
So, I'll starting with myself po. Ako po yung naasahan po or na-honored po nila na maging leader. So, and as we can see po, we have our own strength po. As we can see po, si Dre po, siya po yung nakikitaan natin main dancer. Si Ishiri po, siya po yung nakikitaan natin na lead vocalist. And syempre si Russo po, nakikitaan po natin siya ng main rapper. And syempre, si Matthew po, nakikitaan po natin siya ng lead vocalist and visuals as well. Pero po, sa ang mindset po sana namin is kada roles po is gusto po namin aralin. Para po sa mga future po, we could be well-rounded po. Like, Ishiro could be the main dancer, Russo could be the main vocalist as well po. Like, aralin po namin.
At nakakatuwa din yan kasi napanood ko yung interview niyo sa Soyu kahapon. At tinanong din nila kung ano yung mga roles niyo. And gusto ko talaga yung sinabi niya na gusto niya talaga maging all-rounders. Every member, they want to do everything. Kaya, that's nice. Ito naman, from Sir Vince, once again, itong tanong para kay Dre naman. Isa pa kay Dre? Dre, are there any genres, concepts, or collaborations that you'd love to explore in future releases?
Gusto ko pong makagulat si Mr. Gary V. Idol ko kung talaga siya.
Okay. Mga ibang members baka may gusto kayong i-collab in the future?
Collab? I think, let me see. English yun. For me po, gusto ko rin po makagulat din namin si Sir Sakta Budlo po. Kasi he's a very good songwriter and artist as a whole. So, gusto ko pong matry din yung style ng music for us.
Asi?
Ako po, bukod po sa mga artist po na nandito, siguro po, pares po kami Ishi actually. Kasi I've been listening to Zach's songs po lately, so. Ikaw ba bro?
Sa akin, pwede ba Jeremy G?
Ano ba? Ikaw nga ba yun?
Hindi, ayun, syempre, kasama ka na din, Chris. Siguro, si Sir Black. Black Knight.
Matthew, ikaw, brother.
Okay, so hindi kasi sa ngayon kasi yung process ko ngayon, inaaral ko talaga mag-rap, magsulat din ng kanta. So, gusto ko na natututo ako kay Russo kung paano siya magsulat. Pero syempre, pagdating naman sa dance skills, gusto ko pang matuto sa mga kagaya ni Kuya Nate.
Kuya Nate! Kuya Nate!
Hindi kasi talagang as in before po ako sumali ng Dreammaker, as in, na-idolize ko na po yung dance skills niya. Parang pag napapanood ko po sa TikTok, yun, gusto mo yun sila. Kasi yun po, sobrang inspired ko lang po na matuto pa sa maging mahusay na performer po.
Ayun, salamat sa answer mo, Matthew. Thank you so much, Kuya Nate, for that sample kanina. Itong next question nito are from Jacqueline Megan Ortega from Soundcheck Manila. At hindi daw siya ngayon. Hello po.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon.
Hi guys! Hindi ko alam yung nasabit kong question. But just like to ask, kasi I heard 2 years. So when did you guys come together? How did you guys come together? Was there any addition of some sort? And parang may may saying kayo sa Instagram niyo. Could you explain more about that? Parang may quote kayo, something about yesterday, today. Thank you.
So our group right po is we're all former contestants of a survival show program here in ABS-CBN po called Dreammaker. And hindi po kami nanalo doon, but the management gave us another chance and created a group with us. Kasi I think sila naman po, siguro nakita nila naman po yung potential and yung hunger po namin para maging part din ng P-pop scene and as artists. And ayun po, unti-unti po kami nabuo and throughout those 2 years, and tuloy-tuloy lang po kami nag-train. We waited our time, we took our time, kasi gusto po namin mabuo yung mga sarili namin as artists and maging confident kami sa mga ipapakita namin in the future and ngayon, right now. So, regarding po din sa experience yesterday, today, and tomorrow, we want our music to be well-rounded as well. Kumbaga, throughout your music, you could feel a lot of things, experience different things throughout what you hear. So, ayun po, gusto po namin may maramdaman yung mga tao through our music. So, different experiences.
Deserve naman nila yung spot nito, di ba guys? Deserve naman nila. Miss Jacqueline, meron pa isang tanong. Okay na po? Thank you po. Ayun, nahulog tuloy. Sorry guys, pasensya na. Kinakabahan na yung kuya nyo. Ito from Carl Jun Canole from Kapatid Insider. This question is for Isidro. Okay, sa mga parang easy. Ito, Isidro, sa daming P-pops ngayon sa P-pop scene, what sets RIVE apart from those other groups in the industry?
Okay, oh, it's a big thing, throughout naman sa pagsasama namin, napag-uusapan din namin minsan. Kasi di ba, in this industry, it's about what makes you different, what makes you unique. I can say what makes us unique is really connected with our backgrounds and our concept na ngayon sinaset namin. Kasi we all came from different paths. Si Dre, his experience in dancing, world of dance. Si Asi, the voice, singing. Si Russo, before he was a boxer in sports. And Matthew, he was in acting. And ako po, normal lang akong tao na doing stuff. So normal. Just a chill guy. Chill guy. More on, focus lang sa aral. And, di ba, parang when I said our backgrounds, we are so different. So, di ba, parang isipin mo, paano ito mag-work as a group? But, also connected with our concept, we came from different paths. But, eventually, nakita-kita kami sa isang daan. And now, we travel together to finally arrive where we want to be. Dito ko sa Lifestyle. Kaya ayun po, we have finally arrived. Nagsama-sama kami. Our differences is also our strength. Yes. So, just to summarize, it's our story, our storyline, our concept, and us as individuals who came together as a group.
And I thank you. Grabe, ganda ng celebration. Ito naman, para kay Matthew naman. Matthew, nabanggit naman issue kanina na you guys are given the belief from the management, you guys are handpicked to be part of this group. Pero para sa iyo, what was your reaction when you guys finally debuted?
Siyempre po, una-una hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala na aabot ko sa kung nasan po kami ngayon. Pero siyempre, nasa isang mindset po kami lahat na nagkakaintindihan kami na iisa lang talaga yung goal namin from the start na kahit ano bang mangyari, walang susuko, patuloy lang kami na kuhaan namin yung kamay. Tapos kapit-kapit kami, gano'n, diba? Siyempre, patuloy lang kami nag-grind everyday, hindi kami sumusuko. Parang minsan, kagabi nga iisip ko lang parang di ako makapaniwala kasi parang sobrang saya ako na nandito na kami. Ito yung pinagpaguran namin, ito yung mga sacrifice namin sa buong buhay namin, yung buong oras namin binigay namin para sa moment na to.
Yes! Parang iiyak si Matthew. Well, thank you so much guys for those answers. Pero syempre, next natin is from Hannah Mallorca from Inquirer.net.